how to translate video titles and description of any YouTube video that you guys want to basically have translated. So open up your YouTube channel, and then now from over here, simply open up any video that you guys want to have translated. So once you guys have it open, after that, simply open up Google in another tab and then type in Google Translate. Now once you guys type this in, you guys are going to basically see this over here. Now you just have to simply copy this title and then simply paste it over here. And then after that, you just have to, of course, paste it over here. And then after that, choose the language that you guys want to have it be translated in. You guys can choose from every single language in existence, and you guys can basically use it for yourself. So over here, let's say I want it to be translated in German. Well, then over here, you guys can see that this is now translated in German. Now you guys can repeat the same process for the description as well. Simply copy it, paste it over here. And then after that, just simply choose the language that you guys want to have it be translated in. And then after that, you guys can now basically see that this is now translated. So guys, that is how you guys can basically translate title and video descriptions. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.